in the action, boys. So last night, I actually spent a lot of my night looking at Instagram messages from y'all. Instagram's right here, man. Y'all go follow it. 100,000 followers, we posting nudes. Anyway, my goal from yesterday was going through all your questions that I've seen in my DMs and coming to a consensus of what answer you want to hear the most. You know, I get lots of advice comments. I get lots of nudes that y'all are sending me. But the one thing that never seems to fail is this one question. Name brand, how can I get free sneakers? What sneaker websites might give out free sneakers? And I was like, bruh, you know, that's a good question. And I'm gonna answer that in a second. And then I was also like, bro, why don't you guys just ask me like how to get free girls? You know what I mean? Like, is that not the #1 thing that all men are wondering lately? Like, don't get me wrong, hookers could be great. But it would also be great for a girl to just love me and want to see my penis for who I am. You know what I mean? Like, why isn't that your question? And then I thought back, I'm like, you know what, bro? Step down your ego a little bit. Clearly, they're not gonna ask you that advice. They're probably gonna go to like Blake Linder or something like that. So I cut the loss. I was like, all right, this is the question I'm gonna answer. Well, answer the question, how do we get free sneakers and what websites sell free sneakers? Now this actually came for a perfect day because we do actually have an unboxing where I did get free sneakers in the mail. However, I'm gonna hit y'all with some inspirational crap real quick. You know, most of us should be smart enough to know that websites aren't just gonna send you free sneakers. You just can't go to a website and get real sneakers for free. At least that I know of. But that's not the question I want to answer. Or at least I don't want to answer the question in the way you want to hear it because literally I can't. Bro, am I about to get inspirational real quick? I think so. Alright, let's go with it. So as I said, we do have 2 sneaker unboxings today, and they're actually from 2 websites that sent these out for free. However, what you guys are looking for, at least the answer that you guys are looking for, is who's just gonna send it when you're gonna do nothing for them. But that's not how life works, man. The whole lesson here is if you guys want free sneakers, it shouldn't even actually come down to getting something for free. It should really come down to what can I bust my ass for to be able to buy what I really want, or in some cases to be able to get something for free because I bust my ass for it. Boys, life isn't gonna just hand you stuff for free without you working. You really gotta sit down, you gotta think about what you're good at or what you really want to achieve or acquire, whether it be physical or not, and you gotta figure out how to do that. So to answer y'all's questions of how I got these 2 pairs of sneakers that we about to unbox for free, man, I worked my ass off for it. I'm a YouTuber that gained a little notoriety and companies now want to send me things. So I know this isn't the way that you want me to answer this question. Once again, I'm not going to just set y'all up with a website that's going to give you free stuff today, but I am going to set you up with a little piece of advice. Work for what you want to work for and go after it, boys. And yes, at that moment, you will be able to afford the things that you might want or maybe get some things for free. I'm going to cut this off now. That's my little inspirational beginning for y'all because that is a question y'all keep asking, and that is my legitimate no name brand persona answer for y'all. 2 words, work for it. That's it, and have fun doing it. But of course y'all know the name brand fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, and of course there's another train coming in, man. I live right in front of train tracks, and they always disrupt me! That one's got a nice graffiti, actually. That's a long train. It's been going on for a little bit now. The graphics on it, I wish you could see the graphics on this train. Absolutely remarkable. I saw a penis go by, which is actually an uncircumcised penis drawing, which you don't usually see often. So I actually have high respect for this train. So I like trains. I think they're cool to watch. Anyway, man, I think the best way to end off that little talk with y'all is thanking you guys for where you've gotten me so I can achieve my dreams and do what I do. And it all comes back to you guys. So I appreciate y'all. And what I'm gonna really try to do more of lately is answer you guys on Instagram. I really try to do that, but I'm gonna do it more because people gotta really realize who got them to where they are. So I really try to answer comments and stuff on videos. People don't do that. I don't know why they don't do that. I don't know why I don't do it more, but I'm gonna work on that for y'all. And for myself, I'm not a hotshot, you know what I mean? I'm just like y'all with a much bigger penis, I guarantee it. Probably than all of y'all that are watching this video right now. It's gigantic. Yeah, actual size indeed. Nice. Alright, boys, getting into the first package. I think this is from Champ Sports. I love these guys for sending me things because I think the very first time they actually sent me sneakers, I destroyed them that video, which is extremely disrespectful, but I thought it was funny. So thank y'all for keeping on rocking with me. That is absolutely weird that you're doing that, but you must be a fan of the name brand fam. And the fun thing about these unboxings is we have 2 of these. You got one from Champs, one from like Foot Locker or something. I don't know what's in these. Let's open this up real quick. Blah! Woo! got a white Jordan box, boys. So, one thing that you guys know on the channel, this is very sick. Oh, very nice box. What Jordan's coming in a white box, dude? Anyway, you guys know we focus on a lot of fake sneakers on this channel with our skits and stuff like that. Not that I promote fake sneakers, yada, yada, yada. However, Real Name Brand really wants to up his sneaker collection, and Champ Sports is really helping me with that, which is very, very dope. Just a regular Champ Sports unboxing with a little bit of wisdom at the beginning. Well, let's open this up. Oh, yeah. Oh, when they do that, man. It makes me feel very nice. Packaging, we got that number. We got 318.95. I don't know what that means. That's weird. And let's get this. We got both of these in today. I actually thought Champ stopped rocking with me because it, oh my God. Whoa! These, I've been wanting these! I was actually surprised because I thought Champ stopped rocking with me, but apparently not. We got these sneakers right here, boys. I don't know what these are. I saw Champs post a picture of them and I was like, dude, these are so fire. I really like them. Maybe I'll speed through this real quick because we got another unboxing, but it says Beyond MVP. I don't know. It's got a bunch of words at the bottom there. I don't know what they mean. They're probably for Kobe Bryant's stats or something like that. And then they're all white, man. These are so, so sick. What are these? Jordan Retro 10. Very sick. That's the first pickup right here, Champ Sports. I appreciate that. Y'all let me know if you want more real sneaker pickups and stuff like that. It's funny because I actually buy a lot of real sneakers, but I don't usually unbox them on the channel. I just open them up and put them in my shelf right over there, which we're cleaning this room real soon. Supreme Room's about to be real lit. But that's actually what I've been doing lately, and just showing you guys a lot of the fake sneaker stuff because I feel like a lot of people can relate to not affording the real sneakers. But the goddamn train is still here and it's kind of pissing me off, man. Wow, that is long. A gargantuan train. That must have at least 4 conductors in it. Sorry, sidetrack. Anyway, there's the first sneaker. Let's check it out. I really like the packaging on it. It's very sick. We got a Jordan 10. I've never had these in my hand before. Once again, I saw them on Instagram. I'm like, I gotta cop them, dude. And then I got them for free, which is sick. These things are real hype right here, man. Let's get on to the next unboxing. Next box, boys! We got another pair of Jordans. I actually haven't looked in these yet. I just opened up the box. Air Jordan Retro 9. That's sick. That's the age of my kid, so I'll probably give them to him. Woo! Bruh, are these the same shoes? The hell is this? The hell is... Oh wait, no, they're different. Okay. Well, we go with the black and white theme, boys. We Oreo all the way. As y'all can see, we got some 9 Jordans right here. We got this on here. I don't like sneaker reviews. I don't like doing sneaker reviews. I think they're stupid. I see the relevance. I see why you might need them. I just don't care about them. But this is another pickup that I think is very, very dope. We got the gum seam bottom. We got the 23 for Kobe. We got the white down low like my dick. And we got the white up top like my bod, bro. Or should it be the other way around? Damn it! I have a big black penis, I'm trying to say. Just reverse what I just said. Anyway, boys, we got these right here. These are very sick. The thing I like about Champ setting things is these are never sneakers. Like those other ones, I don't even think I would have purchased either. I'd never purchase these because they're not that hype to me. Like I don't love them that much, but I think once I put them on my feet, it's sneakers like these where it's like, these are very simple and very hype. Like a lot of people just don't rock these. Let me just go to the Gucci store and spend 10 grand on ugly ass sneakers is what usually people would do. So I respect this grind. I like this stuff. Anyway, boys, that's it for the pickups today. I might do another video today just because I'm in a talking mood. I like y'all and I think you guys like me back lately, which is sick. If you guys watched yesterday's video, yes, it was an April Fool's joke. I didn't cheat on no one. I unfortunately didn't have sex with Selena Gomez, which is should I say that's unfortunate when I have a girlfriend? I don't think she watches my videos. I don't know. Maybe I'll cut that out. I'm not sure. Anyway, April Fool's joke. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's no SEX tape yet until we get to 500,000 followers on YouTube. That's coming real soon. Look out for that. But anyway, boys, that's the pickups for today. I don't even think Champ Sports really expects you to unbox things when they send them to you, because I don't even think they look. But I wanted to give them a little shout out for sending me things. Foot Locker 2. Also, I wanted to give you guys a little wisdom, answering your question in the best way possible. These sneakers look so dope side by side. Honestly, if I were to just rock these sneakers like this, wait, hold on. If I were to just rock them like this, bro, one on each foot, I think that'd be super hype. Or it'd just be stupid. I don't know what the sneaker game is. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Y'all are marking the game the greatest of all time. You guys let me know what you want to see more of next. And a lot of people have actually been asking me why my views are lower lately. It's because my channel got terminated. I talked to my network. Apparently, when you get terminated, they don't send your videos to sub boxes. So I appreciate y'all that are rocking with me through this weird process right now. It'll be over in like a month, hopefully. But y'all are really killing it, man. We're marking the game. Of course, greatest of all time. I might give out one of these pairs of sneakers. Not sure yet. Y'all figure it out on social media if I am, though. Thank you guys for listening to this video. This is a PDA announcement for don't be a retard and get a job. Blow.